In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Microsoft PowerPoint presentations using Google Drive. This method will allow you to manage your presentations seamlessly within Google's ecosystem, making it convenient for collaboration and sharing. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com in the address bar, then hit enter. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Just enter your Google account credentials and you'll be greeted with your Google Drive dashboard where all your files and folders are neatly organized. This space will serve as your hub for uploading, sharing, and managing your files. Now that you're on your Google Drive page, the next step is to upload your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. To do this, look towards the upper left-hand corner of your screen, where you'll find a large button that says New. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select File Upload. This action will open a File Explorer window from which you can navigate through your computer's directories. Find the PowerPoint file that you want to upload to Google Drive. Once you've located it, select the file and click Open. Google Drive will immediately start uploading your presentation. After the upload is complete, you'll see your file appear on your drive. Sometimes Google will notify you with a small pop-up in the bottom right corner of the screen confirming the upload. Now to view or edit your PowerPoint presentation directly through Google, simply double-click the file name or the file icon. Google Drive will automatically open it in a browser tab, using Google Slides as the default application for viewing and editing PowerPoint presentations. It's worth noting that if it's a large file or if your internet connection is slow, you might encounter a brief loading screen or a message indicating that the file is not ready to view yet. In such cases, just give it a moment to load properly, and there you have it. Once your file is open, you can begin editing, presenting, or even sharing it with others just like you would any other Google Slides presentation. The great aspect of working through Google Drive is the ability to collaborate in real time with others who have access to your file. This makes it particularly useful for group projects and teamwork settings. I hope this guide helps you effectively manage your PowerPoint presentations using Google Drive. Feel free to explore all the collaborative tools available at your disposal. And remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.